Alexios had imagined battle many times, but nothing prepared him for the screams. Men cried for their families. Horses collapsed beneath broken armor. The earth turned red. Smoke swallowed the battlefield. Hours passed. Still the Spartans refused to fall. Every enemy soldier who crossed the line paid with his life. The commander of the invading army could not believe his eyes. His army outnumbered Sparta 100 to 1. Yet the Spartans kept pushing forward. One small army held back an empire, but victory was never their mission. Only time. Every minute they survived, more families escaped through the northern mountains. More children found safety. Alexios finally understood. His father never expected to return home. This battle was a sacrifice. Legend has only just begun. Watch full movie on Cool VADS.